The Shawnee HVAC renovation project, we are wrapping up the first summer worth of work. It has been a whirlwind of gutting the boiler room, putting in new switchgear, putting in new heating and air.
Hey, be careful. Yep.
We have accomplished 2 floors of renovations plus the central plant, which is the core of the heating and air and electrical. Putting in all the new systems, electrical, fire alarm. We've been renovating some spaces for the Academies of Louisville programs, health science program. We're also finishing the work to relocate the library to a more central location in the building. That will be open when school starts. I think it's very significant when you walk through the halls coming back on a renovation project. The areas that have been renovated, they're brighter. The temperature control is much better. There will be new finishes, so there's some new painting, new flooring. They will see the new library, which is easy to get to. They don't have to go all the way to the vast corner of the building to find the library. So I think they'll see that there's some care being taken of the building, and it will feel like a newer, better place to go to school.